Okay, it has slicing successfully. Click Modify, Merge Edit, refine bottom edge or merge. It will this code line. Click 3D, move this, and copy, paste. This one is for backup. Click this, put to origin. Click this slicing, add counter. After when you put here, it becomes a small hand. Click, it will add a container successfully. Then you can click Hatch. Enable. Here, pin number set 0. Line space 0.01. Auto rotate and hatch angle 10. OK. And here, clear, enable, click apply. Here, hatch. Choose pin number 1, 0.03. Enable or calculate 10. OK. Apply. And here encode set. Here set origin counter. Encode set 3. Apply. And here enable select layer. Here you can see 408 layers. Apply. And here you need to check layer one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check layer one by one. Only you will find only 375 layers have here. OK. Here it means it marks from 1 to 375 layers. OK. Copy and paste. Here, height 0.01 and number 0. OK. Here, height 0.02. OK. This one is for use big power clear. This one is use small power clear. This one is slice orange. Put to origin. Put to origin. And click this mark select show counter and click right. You can see the counter. And click this, you can see counter tool. But you can't click this, then click right. Click all and mark